reflect on the pain of your parents at yung trauma. Baka galit na galit ka sa pamilya mo, hindi mo alam what they're going through. And this is the weird thing. Because I was traumatized as a child, nagbago ang nervous system ko. So when I got pregnant with my children, they inherited portion of my trauma. Kailangan malaman mo ano yung laman ng trauma para makilala mo yung sarili mong maskara. Go back to the pain of your parents. You don't know. Hindi sila nagkikwento sometimes. Walang pamilyang ganun kabukas. So it's not all about you palagi. So instead of falling in love with someone, start looking inside your family and fall in love with your parents once again. Because they love you the best way they know how. Di lang nila alam ma-express kasi baka may trauma rin sila.
Because of that book that my mom read, our relationship was slowly getting better, and I just want to thank you for that. Thank you for fixing my mom and I's relationship.
Pwede pa